Ever dream of being your own boss, but the whole startup capital holding you back? So today we are revealing 4 incredible small businesses that you can launch right now with absolutely no money down. So whether you live in a bustling city or a small charming town, these ideas can unlock your path to financial freedom. Now, living in a small town does not mean that there is no market for your local skills. Local businesses are increasingly looking to establish a strong online presence. So if you have an eye for designing and a knack for coding, then web design could be perfect for you. Now you can learn basics through free online tutorials and leverage platforms such as YouTube to showcase your skills. Then also reach out to local businesses, offer a competitive rates, and then watch your client base grow. And nowadays things are very much easy. You can utilize social media such as Facebook, TikTok, and X to get these clients. For example, if you are a web designer or you can do coding, you can head on to Facebook, then look for those groups of web designers. Then you can join them because most of clients come to these groups and then post their jobs here. So if you have joined, for example, 5 groups, at least you will find some job listings in which you can start taking those jobs and then start making money online. And remember, this business does not cost any initial capital. This business will just cost you a little bit of your time and a little bit of your knowledge. Now, do you have a passion for teaching others? Sharing your expertise online can be rewarding and profitable. Whether you're a stock market whiz or a plumbing pro, there is always someone out there hungry for your knowledge. Now, to do this, you need to create online courses. We have platforms such as Teachable and Udemy. All you need is that you need to have a smartphone and a reliable internet connection and the ability to explain complex topics in an engaging way. Now, got away with words and a knack for storytelling? Script writing is an exciting business that you can launch from your living room. The demand for compelling video scripts is booming with the businesses and YouTubers. These people are constantly seeking fresh contents. So if you have that passion for writing scripts, now definitely this is a chance for you that you can writing scripts for these companies and people. So what you need to do is that you have to build your strong portfolio by creating sample scripts, highlighting your talents on platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. Another thing that you need to do is that you can reach out to these potential clients and showcase your ability to craft captivating narrative that comes alive on screen. Now, the next small business that you can do online is you can become a customer service. Do you have a knack for problem solving and a passion for customer satisfaction? Then online customer service might be your thing. Several platforms connect businesses with remote customer service representatives. Now, with excellent communication skills and a positive attitude, you can offer your service and build a strong reputation. Now, the best part, many of these platforms offers a flexible work schedule, allowing you to control your workload. And remember, my lovely friend, success in any business comes down to dedication. It is your time right now to take action. You have learned a lot of things online, so it is your time to execute what you have learned. Most of people like learning and they don't take actions. But if you take a step and then start these online businesses and then commit to them, whenever you face challenges, you go back and then learn from the mistake that you made. Definitely you will be in your road to success. And another thing that I would like to encourage you is that choosing a right niche is the best thing that you can ever do. And also you need to hone your skills. And with the right approach, definitely you can turn your passion into a thriving source of income. So which business sparks your excitement? Share your thoughts in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more inspiring entrepreneurial content. So let me say a quick prayer for you. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, it is another new day that I'm meeting my viewer. God, bless their families. Bless whatever they are going to do online. Give them power. Give them authority. Give them wisdom, God. More so, supply peace, love, and joy within them, God. Until the next time, God, when we meet watching this video, we shall say thank you very much. It is in Jesus' mighty name where I pray and believe. Bye.